Hello everyone, welcome to Love Maths. Today we are going to see the 9th standard polynomial factorization of cubic polynomial. Okay, if it is a cubic polynomial means that degree is 3. Okay, we are knowing the highest power is called degree. Cubic polynomial highest power is 3. So the degree is 3. How many zeros or factors this cubic polynomial having means 3. Okay, based on degree only that zeros are factor they are having. If it is the linear polynomial only 1, if it is the quadratic polynomial is 2. Okay, that is now we are going to see cubic polynomial how to find the factors. First let consider the given as p of x. Let p of x is equal to x cube minus 2x squared minus x plus 2. Now I want to find out which is the factor. 3 factors I want to find out. Okay, so first to think what is sum of the coefficient is equal to 0 means x minus 1 is the factor of the given polynomial. Okay, let us check. X cube coefficient is 1. X squared coefficient is minus 2, x coefficient is minus 1, the remaining, okay, even constant also you have to take. Next, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 minus 3 equal to 0. So, sum of coefficient and constant is 0. So, clearly x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Okay. X minus 1 is a factor of p of x. So, it is a factor means x minus 1 must be 0. So, x is equal to plus minus 1 comes this side plus 1. So, x value is 1. This x value you substitute here, you can get the remaining factor. So, only write this coefficient. Okay, x like this 1 minus 2 minus 1 2. Okay, so this coefficient is what? 1. Always the first place you are writing 0. Always the first place, whatever may be the first place, you have to write 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. You have to add these two. Add these two and multiply from here to here. Okay, so 1 into 1 is 1. What I want to do? I want to add. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Again I want to multiply this number and 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. 2 plus minus 2 is 0. The remainder is 0 because it is the exact factor. If you substitute the factor only, you got the remainder 0. In case if you are not getting the remainder as 0 means the x minus 1 is not a factor. X minus 1 factor means here you have to substitute plus 1 because x minus 1 only equal to 0. So x value is minus 1 comes this side plus 1. Okay. Now you have to write this remainder. Okay, 1 minus 1 minus 2. So, how to write reverse? Constant term, x square term. So, 1x square minus x minus 2. It is now the cubic polynomial convert as the quadratic polynomial. Okay, so how to find out the quadratic polynomial? We know this method, multiply minus 2 minus 1. What are the possibility? 1, 2 is 2. So here center minus means greater number is minus. So this factor is, what are the factors? X plus 1 into x minus 2 because x square coefficient is 1 only, by 1 only. Okay, these are 2 factor I find out. Already I find out 1 factor. So all 3 factor are x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 2. These 3 are the factor of the given polynomial x cube minus 2x squared minus x plus 2. Okay, is it clear, children? First you have to do the given. Okay, first what is the given? Let take us a p of x. You check out sum of the coefficient and the constant is 0 means clearly x minus 1 is a factor. Okay, so x minus 1 is a factor means x value is 1. So like that you have to substitute. The first place always 0. These 2 you should add and multiply here. So remainder compulsory 0. 0 only, this is the factor. Write the remaining like a quadratic polynomial and apply this method, triangular method. Then find out the remaining factor. It is a cubic factor, cubic polynomial. So we got 3 factors. What are the 3 factors? Means x minus 1, x plus 1 and x minus 2. Okay, after in case I don't another one method is that the same after this one factor you are find out x minus 1 is a factor. Then the same thing you applied the long division method. Again if you long division method also you got the remainder as quotient as this thing x squared minus x minus 2. Then you have to apply this method, you can get. Like if you apply long division also you got like the same answer. Is it clear? Okay, let us try to do another one sum now. Next I am taking x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. First step, let consider as a p of x polynomial. So x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Now I want to first find out any one factor. Okay, is 20 is there, maybe 4 5s are 20. What are the possibilities there? You have to apply 120, 2 10s, 4 5s like that. Okay, first x minus 1 means how to check the coefficient. Here coefficient everything is positive, so not possible comes zeros. So this is 1 plus 13 plus 32 plus 20. It is not equal to 0. So x minus 1 is not a factor. Okay, we find out. Next, you have to find out x plus 1. Okay, plus 1 means you substitute here minus 1. Find out p of minus 1. If it comes 0 means x plus 1 is a factor. Okay, in x place you substitute minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube plus 13 into minus 1 whole square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20. Okay, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 plus 13, because minus 1 whole square is plus 1. 1 into 13 is 13. Minus into plus minus 32 plus 20. Now add the plus sign one side, add the minus sign one side. What are the plus? 13 into 20 is 33. Minus 1 into 32, 33. 33 minus 33 is 0. P of minus 1 value is 0 means, so x plus 1 is a factor. Okay, if x plus 1 is a factor only, so x plus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 you are substituting here. Understand? Minus 1 you are substituting here, you got the answer as 0 means if x plus 1 is a factor. Okay. Now remaining same method you have to apply 1, 13, 32, 20. X plus 1 is a factor means here you are going to substitute as minus 1. Okay. Now what is the first step? Here 0, add this, again this is you should add. This 2 multiply, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So 13 minus 1 is 12. Again 12 minus 1 is minus 12. 32 plus minus 12 also 20. 20 minus 1 is minus 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. This is the addition only. Okay. So you have to find first cubic polynomial, consider as a quadratic polynomial. This is the constant term, x square term. So x square, 1x square plus 12x, write like x, otherwise it's confusing, plus 20. Now you have to find out like this method, 20, 12. 1 into 20 is 12, center is a 12. What are the possibilities are there? 20. So 10 2s are 20. 10 2s are 20. So this factor, so here by 1 is except 1 you have to divide the number. By 1 not necessary, if you divide by 1 also same thing. So this quadratic polynomial factors are x plus 2 into x plus 10. 2 factor. Already we found out x plus 1 is a factor. So totally the factors of p of x is x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 10. These are the three factors of the p of x. Is it clear? First you are going to think sum of all the coefficient and including constant is 0 means x minus 1 is a factor. I am checked here, it is x minus 1 is not a factor. So x minus 1 not a factor means you should check x plus 1. Plus 1 means you have to substitute the value of minus 1. If you got the 0, x plus 1 is a factor, then apply here. Okay, minus 1, the first step here you should write 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1, then multiply, then you can get the quadratic polynomial. How to, you know how to find the quadratic polynomial, then find all the three factors. Thank you children.